It's Adrian Bo, CEO of Adrian Bo Training and Auctions. It's the 8th of December and this is my weekly market wrap. And today I had the pleasure of conducting 100% clearance rate at auction. The most standout auction of the day was 234 Bennett Road in Sinclair, and that was on behalf of Sam Yazdi of Ray White, the Pentland Group at ｃＨěಖěಖǐಖǐಖǐಖǐಖǐ, and we sold that for $1,085,000, and that was over the reserve price, and we had 8 registered bidders. An outstanding freestanding home on 630 square metres, certainly a very competitive and emotional auction we had there today. The lease of the week for the same business at the Pentland Group was number 7 Pentland Street in Quakers Hill, sold for $850 per week. Another outstanding freestanding home. Great job by Chloe, and that's a 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-parking property. So well done there, showing that the investment properties and the leasing market is very strong as well. Now, it is quite a capricious market, but despite that, you know, we are experiencing outstanding results at Adrian Bo Training and Auctions, and I'm very humbled to always be reporting 100% or very close to it week on week. I've got another 2 weekends of auctions to go for this year, and we're going all the way up to the 21st. Now, Australia-wide this weekend, we had 2,492 auctions occur. Last weekend, the national clearance rate was 63.4%. The home value index, which is that measurement or that barometer, if you like, of the national value of real estate in Australia, was up in November by 0.1%. Now, we've had consistent growth with the national value, but that 0.1% nationally is the weakest it's been since January 2023. However, and it's still over 20 months in a row to have growth is still a very, very encouraging sign for the market. Now, next week is the RBA's last meeting for the calendar year. The cash rate still sits at 4.35. Surely they're not going to increase it for Christmas. Surely that's going to be a very bitter and sour taste in everyone's mouth leading into Christmas Day, and that would not be a great outcome for homeowners and also mortgage holders to walk into Christmas knowing that there's going to be an increase in the cash rate. So hopefully we see a steady remain and no change in the cash rate of 4.35% for the final meeting in 2024. Now, the number of meetings this year for the RBA has reduced from 12 to 8, and I think that was a great initiative. Another initiative that started this year with the RBA was to have 2 boards, one for compliance and one to determine the cash rate. So I think the adjustments for the Reserve Bank this year have been quite successful. Certainly the tip of the week, and if you do view my social media, you do know that I've got a Bowie's daily video tip. The most popular this week was that your online presence should match your offline presence. So really, if you're noticing there's a chasm or a dichotomy between your on and offline presence, please default to the one that is most authentic to you and make them both consistent, because you want to be able to meet clients in the marketplace and be authentic. And then when you're online, you want to have the identical at parity persona as well. So I hope that's been of great interest to you. I do hope to see you next week at the market wrap, and looking forward to a great Christmas break for everyone in the market. Signing off, and I'll see you next week.